guys, Mel here. So one of my clients asked me to do a kickboxing video. So we're gonna do it together. This is such a good light impact, even warm up and even cardio. It is also so good for your hips. You're gonna get stronger at your hips, stronger at your glutes. And they are all good reasons why we should do this workout. So let's do it together. Let's go with skipping rope. We're gonna keep it low impact, and then you're gonna circle your arms backwards. There we go, and trust me, you're gonna get warm. That's perfect. So kickboxing, it's also so good for balance. Good. And again, for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, that's it, and release. Open your legs. We're gonna punch in front. Ready? Let's go. Punch, punch, punch. I'm not using my legs yet. Good. There we go. And I'm not locking my elbows. In 4, in 3, in 2. That's it. Now bring one leg in front. I'm gonna punch with my right. Let's bring the left leg in front. Ready? So I want you to transfer your weight to the front. Inhale, exhale to transfer. And again, I'm not locking my elbows or my knees. Transfer your weight to the front. I'm right on my tippy toes. Ready? Let's go. Punch quicker. Let's go. Woohoo! In 4, in 3, in 2. That's it. Let's switch your legs. Same thing. Let's go. Ready? Punch and come back. Transfer your weight to the front and back. Transfer and back. Have you seen that I'm lifting my heels off the floor on the back leg? Ready? Let's go. Punch it up. Up. Come on. Woohoo! That's it. 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And release. Let's go back to skipping rope. If you have a real skipping rope home, do it. Use it. It's going to bring your heart rate up. Trust me. 4, 3, and 2. Good. Open your legs. We're going to do uppercut. Ready? Keep your hands right here in front of your nose. Down and up. Contract your glutes. Down. You're going down right in the middle. Down and up. So feel your weight equal on both feet, both legs, and up. That's it. Down and up. Down. Quicker. Come on. Bring it up. That's it. And quick. In 8. This is so good for your glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4. Make sure you're contracting your glutes. You don't lock your knees. That's it. 2. Last one. Stay right here. Let's go. Quick, quick, quick. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Are you feeling your quads? 2. There we go. And slowly release. Keep moving. Skipping rope. That's it. 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And release. Open your legs. Bring your hands. I want you to twist. Twist your feet. Punch in front. Okay? So my right arm, I'm going left. Are you ready? Inhale, exhale, pivot your feet. Come back. Pivot and back. I'm right on my carpet here. It's not going very well. But make sure you're twisting both feet to protect your knees, but also your ankles. Twist, pivot, pivot, sit, extend your knees, sit, extend, contract your glutes, come on. 4, 3, 2, we have one more. That's it, and release, skipping rope. Are we feeling it already? Woo! We're gonna go on the other side. Are you ready? Make sure you pivot, pivoting your feet. Hands in front of your nose. Protect your nose. Inhale, exhale, pivot, and pivot. Both feet. Down and up. And again, don't lock your elbows. You're keeping a slightly bent elbow. Same with your legs, but you still can contract your glutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, and release. Skipping rope. Good job. I'm warm already. We're gonna start kicking with your right leg. Ready? Hands in front, gentle kick, and come back. Gentle kick. So my weight is right on both legs when I start, and see my legs are open, and I'm comfortable here. Okay? Ready? Gentle kick, and come back comfortable. That's it. And again, don't lock your knee. Down, just sit, slightly bend your knees. That's it. 8, 7, 6. Kick with your heel. 4, 3, 2. Last one. That's it. And release. Skipping rope. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's switch your legs. Ready? Shoulders down and back. Abs are tight. Kick and come back again. Kick, come back. So I'm not dropping my hips. My hips are still square. I'm just coming back to a comfortable step. That's it. Woo! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep your abs tight. 3, 2. Last one. Beautiful. And release. Let's go back again. Skipping rope. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release. We're going to go back to the punch. I'm going to start with my right and left. I have my left leg in front. Position. Punch, punch. Come back to central. Punch, punch. Central. Punch, punch. Central. Let's go. Woohoo! For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release. Let's switch. Same thing. Now my right leg is in front. Left, right. Left, right. That's it. So sit back a little bit into it. Extend your knees. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And come back to skipping rope. How are we doing so far? Are we warm? Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And release. Side kick. I'm going to start again with my right. Hands in front of your nose. Side kick. And come back. Okay? I love this one. This is so good for your hip. It's also a lot of balance. Let's go. Kick. Come back. Kick. Come back. That's it. Don't lock your knee. Come on. In 4. I'm losing my balance. See? Perfect. 3, 2. In 2. Last one. Optional. You keep going, putting the foot, or you kick. Kick without touching the floor. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And release. Ay, ay, ay. Let's go back to skipping rope. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Good. How many legs do we have? Ready? We're going to kick with the left. Side kick. Let's go. Down, up. So have you noticed as when I'm going inside flexion of my spine, I need to hinge from my hip, this hip, to be able to kick higher. Okay? That's it. And again for 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Now surprise, remember? Stay up or you keep putting the foot down. Let's go. Up, 6. Well, 4. We're always better on one leg than the other one. This is my bad leg. 3, 2, 2. There we go. And release. Oh, skipping rope. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to uppercut. Like that, okay? Shoulders are down and back. Contract your glutes. Hands in front of your nose. Let's go down, quick up, down, quick up. Don't lock your knees, but you can contract your glutes. Come on. 8. Come on, down and up quick. 6. 5. Good job. 4. 3. And 2. And 2. Why not? Last one. You're gonna stay down. Come on. Go, 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 go. 8. 7. Shoulders are down and back. 5. 4. 3. 2. Reverse. Let's go. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Release. You're gonna lift one heel at a time or both legs. Are you ready? Let's go. 8. 7. Again, you alternate or you do both. Option 2. 6. 5. Lift the chest. 4. 3. Woo! 2. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. 4. 3. 2. You should feel your quads. You should burn. Release. There we go. Let's go back to skipping rope. Oh, you're looking good. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Good. And release. Okay. Do you need water? And then I'm going to kick back. Let's get a water break and we'll come back. Okay. Make sure you have space behind. I don't want you to kick the wall. Shoulders are down and back. You keep your hands right here. Another thing you need to do when you kick back, you also need to turn your head to know or to look where you're kicking. Okay? Ready? Come forward. I'm hinging from my hips. Kick back. Slowly come back again to your comfortable step. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. There you go. Again, very good for your hips. Glutes. Balance. Big time. 8. 7. 6. Don't force your neck to turn. 5. 4. 3. That's it. 2. Last one. Stay right here. Let's go. Up, quick. Up, quick. 4. 3. 2. Feel the burn in your quads. Last one. And release. Skipping rope. That's the trick as well. Don't stop moving. When we're done a movement, go back right away to skipping rope. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. How many legs do we have? Let's go. See, I have results already. Perfect. Now I'm having my right leg. I'm going to kick with my left. Inhale. Exhale. Kick gently. Turn your head as well. Very slow. Protect your neck. Good. Notice as well if it's easier, one leg and the other one. This is my harder leg. I'm not good standing on my right for some reason. 4. 3. 2. We're going to go a little bit quicker. Don't lock your knee. Okay, ready? Let's go. 4. 3. And 2. And 2. Last one. Good. And release. And let's go back to skipping rope. How are you feeling so far? 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. That's it. And release. Let's go back with this one. We're going to punch in front for jabs. Ready? Punch, punch, quick. Punch, punch, and quick. Come on. In 4. 3. 2. Last one. Switch your legs. Same thing. Go. Come on. Quick. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. That's it. And release. We're going to kick in front and back. Are you ready? Front, back. Front, back. Front, and back. Come on. 8. Woo. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. That's it. Last one. Woo. There we go. At least I mixed up now how to look forward or back. 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to switch. Same thing. Hands in front. We're going to kick in front and then back. Look back. Come on. Front, back, front, back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Good job. And release. And let's go back again. Skipping rope. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Open your legs. Uppercut. Shoulders are down and back. Contract your glutes already. Down and up. Quick. Down and up. Come on. Woo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. You can but keep your chest up. 3, 2. That's it. Last one. Skipping rope. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. We're going to go back. Kick side to side. Are you ready? Hands in front. Let's go with the right leg. Kick to the side. Kick. Come back. And again, I want you to go sideways. Side. Try to kick a little bit quicker. Not quicker. Try to kick a little bit higher, but listen to your hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release. Skipping rope. Ooh, how are we feeling? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go back. This time with your left. Ready? Down. Kick. Take your time. There's no rush. That's it. So I'm back to my bad foot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's it. 2. Last one. And skipping rope. Good job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we're going to do one more. We're going to go back to cross. And then we're going to breathe. We're done. Ready? You need to pivot your feet. Let's go. Pivot. Come back. Pivot the other way. Woo! And again, twist, twist, twist. Come back. So again, guys, if you're on the floor, it's going to be easier than for me. Right in my living room. There we go. Up, up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good job. 2. And last one. That's it. And release. Woo. Keep moving. You can have water as well. Notice your heart rate. If it's up, I'm glowing, which is good. And we're going to breathe together. Ready? Inhale up. Exhale. And out to inhale. Exhale. One more time. Up to inhale. Exhale to release. I hope you enjoyed the kickboxing class. Guys, now you're ready to do whatever you want. So choose one of the workouts I'm going to put here below. See you soon.